E-book readers and the new iPad are shaking up the publishing industry. But at the London Book Fair, the real threat could very well be smartphones.
I think what's happening to the publishing world is in the past 10 years, technology has changed people's lives dramatically. So publishing, they've also lost physical retailers. Just like, how you used to go and be able to buy CDs everywhere. Well, now those stores don't exist. They're gone. Same thing is happening in publishing. They're losing their physical distribution. So our argument would be to publishing is, people have changed. You need to find your audience. And now the audience, people are hanging out on mobile phones. So, get the content that's appropriate for the mobile context, i.e. short, and publish it.
Etherbooks is a new iPhone app that offers a catalog of bite-sized short stories, essays, and poetry from famous current authors and Paul McCartney.
The application is free to download in the iTunes Store, in the App Store, and then people buy individual short stories. We're going to be using a freemium model with some free content to build up our audience. What we're actually doing is connecting authors directly to readers on their mobile phone.
Winged Chariot Press is a London-based publisher of children's books. Last year, they were the first to put a picture book on the iPhone, and more recently, the iPad. A main reason for going digital is the ease of use and making a book readable in various languages.
In this new era, everyone's looking at what are the different forms, how are stories read and told. And so this was last year we looked at what the response would be to doing a story in 8 languages in one application, which of course is something you're not able to do in a paper book. So that was why we thought it was a good feature to bring out. And now we've taken that a step further with the next story, which works on both the iPhone and the iPad, because the iPad has a much larger canvas to work with.
Just like the pop-up books of yesteryear, the iPad offers a whole new level of storytelling. We got to preview The Birthday, a new book that allows children to interact with the characters by dragging and dropping objects in the story to progress to the next page. Hilary Mantel is a famous author, most recently of Wolf Hall, for which she won last year's Man Booker Prize and is shortlisted finalist for the 2010 Orange Prize for Fiction. She believes that the art and pastime of reading has gone through many evolutions, of which this latest one is very exciting and with immense potential.
I think most authors are also great readers, and the thought of being able to carry a library about in a gadget of this size is so alluring, and tremendous opportunities to give our work a new and different life and to reach a new readership, hopefully. So I'm a great enthusiast for the technology that's opening up.
As we saw at the London Book Fair, digital isn't as much of a hindrance as it is a help. In fact, things like e-readers and smartphones are getting books out to a new audience. Thanks for watching. I'm Layla Mackey, and see you next time.